This How to 1 Minute will show you how to point domain name to web hosting. Setting up a domain name may be easier than you may think. Once your domain name is registered, you need to connect it to your hosting server. Right now, I will show you how you can point your domain name to your web hosting in Namecheap. Log into your Namecheap and click on Account and click on Dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, click on Domain List. And here, you will get all of your registered domains. Now, for example, I want to point this domain to my web hosting. So I'm going to clicking on Manage. And here select Domain and scroll down and search for this Nameservers section. Here click on this drop down, and to point this domain to your web hosting, here you have to select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS and click on Save. And this is how we can point a domain name to web hosting. And you have a hosting plan elsewhere and you are provided with the Nameservers for your domain. To connect a domain to a third-party server or hosting plan via Nameservers that you received from your hosting provider, you need to set up these Nameservers as custom for your domain. Now follow me to do it. Again, come to this page and search for Nameservers and click on this drop down. And now here you have to select custom DNS, and after that enter here your hosting Nameservers one by one in each line. If you need to set more than 2 Nameservers, press the Add Nameservers red button to add more Nameservers field. When the Nameservers are entered, press the green check mark to save changes. And it may take about 24 to 40 hours for your domain to connect after the Nameservers update to be resolving properly all over the world. That's it. This is how we can point domain name in web hosting. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.